Time blocking in Acuity scheduling is a powerful feature that allows you to manage your availability effectively by setting specific periods when appointments can and cannot be booked. Availability windows are the foundation of time blocking. These are recurring weekly patterns or date specific overrides that can be set in 15-minute increments to define when clients can book appointments. Buffer times are crucial for smooth operations. They include preparation time before appointments, typically 5 to 30 minutes, and cleanup time after appointments, usually 5 to 15 minutes. Exceptions and overrides handle special circumstances like vacation days, recurring meetings, or emergency unavailability. These allow you to temporarily modify your standard availability patterns. As of 2025, Acuity remains a leading scheduling platform with enhanced features including improved buffer management, AI-assisted scheduling suggestions, and a mobile-first design for easier schedule management. The first method for implementing time blocking is through general availability settings. Navigate to Business Settings, then Availability to set your weekly recurring schedule and standard business hours. The second method involves appointment type specific blocking. Access individual appointment type settings to override general availability and configure unique buffer requirements for different services. The third method uses calendar integration. Connect external calendars like Google, Outlook, or iCal to automatically block time for existing events and prevent double booking. Industry statistics from 2024 to 2025 reveal impressive adoption rates. 78% of Acuity users utilize buffer times, while 92% implement recurring availability blocks. The business impact is significant. Companies using strategic time blocking report 31% fewer no-shows and a 43% improvement in appointment punctuality. To implement time blocking effectively, avoid overblocking, which reduces booking opportunities. Ensure sufficient buffers to prevent chronic lateness and maintain consistent blocking strategies across all appointment types for optimal results.